Based on the build, the Infinix GT 20 Pro shares similarities to last year's Infinix GT 10 Pro. It continues to feature a boxy design with sharp edges. The back gets similar patterns, which may remind you of Nothing Phone 2. The rear cameras are stacked in a similar manner with neon strips running over the round cutouts. Notably, the new iteration is 7 grams heavier, 194 grams, though it's not a big jump. Overall, the Infinix GT 20 Pro embodies gaming aesthetics quite successfully. As mentioned, it gets a much more functional LED light setup on the back. The Infinix GT 20 Pro with the new MediaTek Dimensity 8200 Ultimate SoC stands as one of the top performers in the segment. Its Geekbench single-core score is modest, though the smartphone. Infinix also deserves credit for introducing LPDDR5X RAM tech in this segment. As you'd expect, the smartphone can run popular demanding games like BGMI, Call of Duty, and Genshin Impact smoothly. The gameplay and graphics were even better than I expected, thanks to the dedicated graphics chip made with Pixelworks, which enhances HDR and keeps the frame rates steady. Infinix has optimized BGMI to support extreme plus frame rates up to 90 EDS with smooth graphics. Call of Duty is also playable with high graphics settings. Similar to its predecessor, the Infinix GT 20 Pro is headlined by a 108MP camera, which gets OIS, optical image stabilization, support. There are 2 more sensors on the back for macro and portrait shots. The front panel houses a 32MP camera inside a tiny hole-punch cutout. The Infinix GT 20 Pro gets a 5000 mAh battery with 45W charging. While the charging speed is respectable, it's worth mentioning that many rivals have started providing at least 67W charging. The battery backup won't disappoint though. In fact, with the highest settings enabled, 144 Hz in performance mode, and RGB lighting on the back constantly, I got a full-day battery backup. Even in PC Mark's battery test, it took nearly 10 hours for the battery to drop from 100 to 20%. Again, a respectable figure.